Morning teachers, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to check school forms where AI or artificial intelligence and Microsoft Excel reads the data for you. First, you're going to click here and then you type speak cells. Then you right click here and then you add to quick access toolbar. Okay? This time, you can now see the speak cells button here. Okay, so then highlight the cells or the range of cells. You're going to make the AI dictate it for you. Highlight. For instance, these are the cells that you're going to make AI to dictate, and then click this AI.
Filipino 87 88 89 92 89 TLE 88 89 89 89 89 English 89 92 95 93 92 Mathematics 90 92 93 91 92.
Okay, so you just simply let AI to continue reading the cells. That's all how to use the AI speak cells in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching.